Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be making a favourite of mine, my ultimate black banana bread. So let's start with our ingredients. We've got some really overripe bananas here, some flour, some butter, some dark chocolate, some brown sugar, some white sugar, some ground almonds, eggs, baking powder and a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. So first of all, we want to start with creaming the butter and sugar for the cake base. So I'm just going to add to the bowl butter plus the brown and the white sugar and just beat it until it's really soft, light, airy and fluffy. Next, we're going to add the eggs and we're going to fold them in gradually. I'm just cracking them into a cup first, just in case, there's anything in them that's not nice. It won't ruin the whole mix. So once I've cracked them into this cup, I'm just going to add them gradually and just fold it into the butter and sugar mix. Alright, so that egg is nicely incorporated now. It may curdle a little bit, but that's okay. When we add the flour, that will kind of absorb all of that and bring the mix together. So now we're going to sieve in the flour with the baking powder. And again, just folding it in so we don't lose all of the lovely air that we've incorporated into the mix. So this is lovely and light and incorporated. So now we're just going to add the spices. So I've got the cinnamon here and I'm just grating in some fresh nutmeg. Then we're folding that in as well. Next step, we're going to add in our ground almonds. Fold these in as well, nice and lightly. So we're at the final stage now. The cake base is essentially done. So I'm just gonna peel these bananas and crush them up, and then they'll be folded into the cake base. So just gonna fold this banana in now. If it's a little bit chunky and lumpy, that's fine, because when it bakes you'll get some nice parts of banana in there, which is always really nice. And the last thing we're going to add, which is a little bit of a bonus, is the dark chocolate. So I'm just going to cut this roughly into some chunks because I want that to come through in the cake. Again, just like those random chunks of banana, so you don't want it too finely chopped. Once that's chopped, fold it in, and then it'll be ready to go into the oven. And lastly, I've also just sliced the banana here, just for decoration. We're going to just pop that on top, so when you slice it, you'll have a lovely piece of banana in every slice. Right, my baking tray, I've just lined it with some greaseproof paper. Gonna add this in, and then we're gonna put the banana on top and bake it in the oven. I've put the baking guidelines in the description at the bottom. And that's basically it. Here we go, this is all done. It did go a little burnt because it was touching the side of my oven, but hopefully yours won't come out like that. But here is our banana bread, perfectly baked all the way through. And as you can see, there's a little bit of dark chocolate popping through on the inside. Delicious. But as always guys, thank you for watching, thank you for joining me again. If you like these recipes, you know what to do. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I'm dropping videos. If you try these recipes, please tag me on Instagram, Twitter, at Caribe_UK, or hashtag Island Girl Recipes so I can see how you're getting on with them at home. Until the next time, peace and love.